As we emerge from the pandemic and global borders reopen, an emerging trend is one of sustainable travel. Apart from being the socially responsible road to take, sustainability can be a competitive advantage with new opportunities for growth and job creation.
Sustainability is now a top priority for many business and MICE travelers. To remain relevant, the MICE industry must evolve to meet the growing demand for meaningful and socially responsible business travel and MICE events. We are well positioned to meet these demands. As a responsible global citizen, Singapore is guided by the Singapore Green Plan 2030, which codifies our national push towards net zero. Every sector must play its part in this movement, including you, the MICE sector. And that is why we are here today, to launch the MICE Sustainability Roadmap.
The Singapore Tourism Board and Singapore Association of Convention and Exhibition Organisers and Suppliers have co-developed the Singapore MICE Sustainability Roadmap that will guide the industry in raising our sustainability standards and greening our operations aligned with the Singapore Green Plan. To this end, 3 sustainability targets have been established for Singapore's MICE industry. First, to develop MICE sustainability standards that are relevant and applicable to Singapore MICE industry by 2023, and to have globally recognized standards by 2024. Secondly, to have all 6 purpose-built MICE venues and 80% of SACEOS members to obtain nationally and/or globally recognized sustainability certification by 2025. Finally, for the industry to commence tracking of waste and emissions by 2023, with a view to reduce waste as aligned to the Singapore Green Plan by 2030, and eventually achieve our net zero emission from the MICE industry by 2050.
3 strategies to achieve this. First is to raise sustainability standards across the industry to achieve certification among MICE companies through a set of standards that are nationally or internationally recognized. This will accelerate the industry's ability to green their operations and events, guided by certification standards. Additionally, companies will be able to identify and incorporate green capabilities in existing roles.
As part of Sustainable Sentosa, certification is especially critical for credibility and assurance. Sentosa has been certified according to the Global Sustainable Tourism Council Destinations Criteria. We will continue to sharpen the unique value proposition that our island offers to MICE travellers and ensure that our MICE venues will achieve carbon neutrality by 2030.
As companies work towards raising their standards, they can leverage government grants and support for relevant sustainability training and certification programs. Next is to raise awareness of sustainability efforts and promote sustainable best practices. To accelerate industry-wide capability development, we will encourage companies to tap on industry-wide sustainability resources and learn from industry best practices. Third is to innovate existing processes and adopt sustainability solutions. Technology plays a big part in driving sustainability development and measurement. Singapore is well positioned to develop cutting-edge innovations and first-to-market technologies, and can serve as the testbed for piloting of new sustainable solutions.
The Global MICE Sustainability Alliance MOU, which STB signed with key industry players, is an important milestone for us. The alliance brings together major stakeholders to explore new solutions for green events that will adhere to local MICE sustainability standards developed with clear targets to be determined for Food and Hotel Asia 2024.
Through these strategies, we envision a Singapore MICE industry that integrates sustainability as a core value, collaborates for greater impact, and reinforces Singapore as a leading sustainable MICE destination in Asia Pacific.
I therefore urge all of you in the MICE industry to study the roadmap carefully, integrate it into your plans, and build sustainability into every part of your work. STB will do our part to connect you with best-in-class ideas, platforms, and technologies. We will study best practices around the world and adapt and learn from the best. But we need you to join us in this whole of industry effort so that we can achieve our ambition of becoming one of the world's most sustainable urban destinations, a city in nature where large experiences come with small footprints.